Good morning, my dear children. I am going to take the next lesson, that is lesson number 3, dressing up day. Lesson number 3, dressing up day. That is a word fun. First there is so many word, that is word fun. Hard words are there. So all of you open the textbook and go through the pictures there. First picture, that is a gardener. Next, potter. Next, soldier, engineer. Can you see that in the textbook? That is page number 23. Word fun, picture of the gardener there, then soldier there, potter there, then engineer. Yeah, like this you can see no in the picture there. Yeah. That is in the next picture you can see, that is a doctor there standing there. So the doctor, she is saying, I am Simi Bara. I am a doctor. Yeah, in the next picture there is the cook. The picture of the cook is the cook. All of you can see that in the textbook, no? Yeah. Next is what does Simi Bara need? So what that the doctor need water? When the doctor is looking at the patients, no. When there is a patient, so when the doctor is checking and looking at the patient's heartbeat and everything, no, what she want? She want water. Yeah, there is 3 pictures given there. So you can choose the right answer there and put the circle there. Understood? So she want water. Stethoscope. What she want? Stethoscope. So the picture of that is there in the textbook. What you should have do is circle that picture of the stethoscope there. Got it? Yeah. So study each spellings of this. That is gardener, potter, soldier, engineer, cook. Study the spellings of this thoroughly. Write each word 10 times or how many times I don't know. When you write and study, how many times you are writing and studying, I don't know. So study the spellings thoroughly at home. Okay. Yeah. Next I am starting that lesson. There is the conversation, that is the first conversation. സംഭാഷണമാണ് അവിടെ ഉള്ളത്. മിസ് അതൊന്ന് വായിക്കാൻ പോവാണ്. എല്ലാവരും ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് തുറന്ന് വെച്ചിട്ട് when I am reading, you should have to go through it. First is Neha, are you ready? Rahul, has anybody seen my shoes? Susan, hurry up, please. I need to change. Jasbir, don't eat now. You will mess up your dress. It is a busy day for the students of class 2. Everyone is talking. The school hall is full of noise and laughter. The children are excited. They are going to put up a show. They are all dressing up. They are dressing up as people who help us. So the students, that is the children of class 2 are dressing up. What they are dressing up? They are dressing up as people who help us. Yeah. At last everyone is ready. So the children of the class 2 are dressing up. Dressing up for what is people who help us. So the show is starting. Now the children are doing the show and that is going to be start. The show starts. One by one the children say, who are they? So in the picture you can see that. So the first boy is coming and as water, as a gardener, and dressing up as a gardener. So that boy is coming and that show is starting. Understood? So in the school, no, you are having some what is it, competition and like that, no. Children's day you are having that is a competition, group wise competition. So they are dressing up. So here the class 2, the children of class 2 are dressing up and they are doing as a people who help us. So first one is dressing up as a gardener. So that is the boys coming and saying, I am a gardener. I take care of plants. I water them to keep them healthy. Plants make our world beautiful. Don't you think so? So, all of you know that is a gardener look after the plants in the garden. So, the first boy is coming and putting the dress as a gardener, and that is show starts, and that boy is a gardener. So, he is coming and telling in front of the stage, or like that show that starts, and he is telling that I am a gardener. I take care of plants. I water them to keep them healthy. Plants make our world beautiful. Don't you think so? So first boy said all these things and he went away. Next girl is coming. I am a soldier. I guard my country. I fight for my country. I am proud to be a soldier. Jai Hind. So the second girl dressed up as a soldier, and she is saying all these things. What she is saying, I am a soldier. I guard my country. I fight for my country. I am proud to be a soldier. Jai Hind. Then the next boy is showing his show as what? Yeah, that is as a potter. Then the boy is showing that I am a potter. I make pots of different shapes. I make them on this wheel. I also make toys. Come and have a look at my pots and toys. That is a potter. Next is a engineer. I am an engineer. I help to make a lot of things. I help to build roads and buildings. I help to make airports, bridges and flyovers. So who makes all these things? Engineer. Got it? Yeah. Next is a chef. Cooking. Who is doing the cooking specialist? No, your mommy is a very good chef, you will tell. No, like that. Oh, my mommy cooks very well and she is a very good chef. So next is a chef. I am a chef. I work in a hotel. I cook tasty food. What would you like to eat? I can make it for you. So what do you like to eat? I can make it for you. That is a chef. So what all things we have now read? Yeah, about a gardener, then soldier, potter, engineer, chef. Got it? All of you. Yeah, read all these things at home. Then we can meet in the next class. Thank you, my dear children. Thank you.